Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word importunities. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He rejected her importunities to lend her money, knowing that she would never pay him back. Importunities refers to persistent requests or demands that are overly insistent or bothersome, often seeking something from someone. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.